checking in on quick little update, man. Got everything ready on the frame. This frame is about 95, 97% ready. I had to get some more washers, cause I don't have the shims in here. So the bolts didn't have enough thread to catch. They still had the spacer showing, so I had to put 2 washers in it. I didn't have no shims. I could have threw something in there, but I didn't have none. He got to get it front end alignment anyway, so they'll stick something in there. I think on mine, I'm gonna run those clean ones like LS Warren, the Detroit something. They got the bars hooked to them. They just like 2 solid pieces. I like them. I'll see if I can find and throw a picture in the description, man. I mean in the video. Got the brake lines on. Need to wrap it up, get out of here. Wrap it. Got the brake lines on. Just got to put the sway bar on. I got to put the sway bar on. Got the brake lines on. All new hardware, everywhere. Self-tapping screws. Shout out to the printers, boy. Well, technically, he got to. I only got to buy me some more, cause those was for my cutty, man. Those is for my cutty, man. I used the whole box up. Yes. You're going to replace them. Go to Harbor Freight and give me a box of them, man. The owner know who I'm talking to. Got the brake lines on. Wheel wood on. What else I got to do? I got to put the bolts here. But I think I'm going to flip this. I think I'm going to put the bolt from the inside. That's why I haven't bolted this up. And see, it's not tight. And got the brake lines on. Focus. Got the brake lines on. Only thing I gotta do is put the rear cover on. So, rear cover, rear sway bar, tighten up rear control arms, front control arms. That's it. And put the brakes on. Put the brake shoes on the rear. But like I said, we about 95%. A good hour tomorrow. We had this thing wrapped up. Have it sitting on the ground, put the wheels on it. That'd be it, man. I gotta mix up some paint. Get right here. This way it was sitting on the brace when I had it hanging in the air or flipped upside down or whatever you want to call it. I got paint on a little paint on right there where it was sitting at. I usually use the pipes from the front bumper, but I didn't have the pipes from the front bumper. I didn't know what mine was. That's how I usually flip them upside down on my stand or upside right, hang them from the front bumper. I mean the front bumper and the rear bumper shock mounts. That's what I want to say. But quick little video, YouTube. Shit. God dog it. Woo. Got the proportion valve on here, man. Focus. Got everything on here, man. Looking real clean, real nice, real neat. Only thing about I forgot I ran into this problem with the cutty. When you box this frame in, it makes the line longer. So you gotta bend it. You gotta do some shaping. You gotta start right here. Then you gotta put that one in, kind of bend it. Put another one, bend it. I had to bend that back a little bit so I can make sure it be in the way, won't be in the way when they put the bushing in. Bend it, kind of bend it here. So, cause when you box it in, it makes the line longer, cause the line supposed to jump back to way back inside of the frame. So you could bend it. I don't really see it's worth it. I mean, you could probably cut it and short it and put a pressure line fitting in between, but I don't think that's worth it. What else? That's it, YouTube. I got that. That's it, man. Quick little update, man. I'll fade back with y'all tomorrow when it's all on 4 wheels, a full walk around, or the project. I don't know. It ain't never come up with no name for this project. Got the wheel wood on there, man. But appreciate everybody checking in, man, on the video, man. Appreciate it. Shout out to all the new subscribers, man. If you ain't subscribed, like, share, subscribe this video, man. Give me a thumbs up. To your haters that thumb down in my shit, you know, don't be a hater, man. It's cause you can't do the Will Wood, man. You got other alternatives you could do, man. Do a blazer kit, paint them up nice and pretty. You still winning, man. Don't be a hater. Thumb down it, man. A hater, man. That's what you is, a hater. But it's all good though, man. I ain't worrying about them haters, man. They say if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping. So that's it, YouTube. What else? That's it. Got everything, new hardware. I just wrapped this up. I wasn't sure it was gonna rub or something, but it's not gonna. Everything's stationary now, but I still keep something right there in case that'll go bad, because there's no gearbox. I guess they're gonna take. Me, never even talked about it. I guess they're gonna take the gearbox off the car, because it should be a quick ratio gearbox on it already. Should be. Oh, and I gotta run the emergency brake cable, man. First person I seen done a brake swap on the emergency cable, man. But hey, it is what it is. I'll hook the emergency cable up and see how long that take me, because that wasn't in the deal. That wasn't in the deal at all. So that's it. I'll fade back tomorrow when this thing a full roller. Boy, I'm to get in the oven now.